Why do nearly 10% of gamers still stick with Windows 7? Old habits die hard, and hey, nostalgia is real. Let's get your Steam library back in action. So, Steam officially waved goodbye to Windows 7 back in 2024. No updates, no support, and yes, your friend list might look a little lonely. But don't worry, here's the cheat code. First, hunt down an older Steam installer. Reddit and community forums are your best friends. Next, open Steam settings and disable GPU acceleration in the Interface tab. This helps dodge some weird crashes. Want to avoid auto-updates? Carefully tweak your steam.cfg file, but beware, this can open you up to security gremlins. If features like the friend list break, look for third-party patches on GitHub, and if all else fails, try running Steam in compatibility mode. Just remember, newer games might not play nice, and your PC could be more vulnerable. The best move? Upgrade to Windows 10 or 11 for a smoother, safer ride. But until then, game on, Retro War.